Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Good morning. So we've been back for 2 days and we're off out again. If you watched our last vlog, you'd know, well, you'd have a rough idea where we're going. So here's Ali.
Hiya.
Hang on. Where are you?
Hiya.
Hiya.
I'm Ali.
No way. Hang on. Oh my god. Amateur with this camera. So we are going over the Humber Bridge.
Did you tell him we're home, love?
Yeah, I told him we're home. I told him we've been home for a couple of days. So we'll catch us later when we get to our destination. We'll show you around.
We're home and we're out again. Here's our setup. We're at, where are we? Slumber on the Humber.
Slumber on the Humber in Wyham.
For a
Not far
couple
from
of days.
Lincoln.
Nice little festival. And there's our setup. We've got the penthouse suite up.
Yeah, show them the flag as well. The flag was from High as a Kite. They're online and they go to a lot of festivals. So if you want one, good quality and at a reasonable price. As seen in a past post, in a past vlog.
See you later.
See you later.
Getting on the ferry.
Look at this gorgeous built van. Don't know the make of it. Hello. How gorgeous is that? Very, very unique. Full hypers and van life.
What's your channel called?
The Van by the Sea.
Where's it?
Instagram and we haven't got YouTube's very new. We've done Instagram quite a lot.
So you did all this yourself then?
Yeah, everything. Yeah, it was just an old welfare van is what it was. So you can come in.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
Come in, bud, it's fine.
So what's your channel?
Look at this. Look at the little oven. Wow. Stace, I've done a bit of cake for you here.
Oh yeah, I'm just kind of
Wonder, yeah.
So it's Van,
The Van by the Sea.
the Van by the Sea. Check them out on YouTube, guys. Love the colour. It's nice that. Hey, look, follow us on Instagram. The Van by the Sea. I mean, I was in bad because we've got a sofa on that side. You know where you've got that cover, we've got a sofa, so that opens it up at the front. As soon as the wardrobe's out, as soon as the walls, you can say that's the bedroom. And then the locker there. It does make a big difference, right?
How gorgeous is this one? We've been sat talking to this lovely couple for about an hour and they're doing some travels, 7 months travelling, Canada and USA, and their van is absolutely gorgeous. I want it. I want it.
Look at this one then.
Well, it's funny because
Our perfect van.
whilst we've been in Spain, we went to
And she did it all herself. She's got a little business running at the side. Dreadless business. Absolutely love it. There's a fire stove. I hope it comes out this because this looks brilliant.
She's done all her own artwork. And there, look. All her own artwork. I'll take you round the side. Her own artwork on the side of the van. She's put a bed at this end, at the sliding door. Cool, isn't it?
The actual restaurant.
Bread lush.
Well, look at this amazing stall. This lady does pyrography, which is hand burning. She's on all sorts, on pens, on bangles. Look at that, look at the detail, it's beautiful. She's even got some there's candles there. Her business name, that's her business name. Nope, that's picking up alright. And she also does the hats. I mean, look at all the detail on those, and they're all handmade and take approximately how many hours to make?
Between 2 and 5 maybe, depending on the design and shading.
So between 2 and 5 hours, all dependent on the design. That's a nice one, the sunflower. It's pretty.
It's all shading on it.
Oh yeah. I don't know if it'll pick up. Yeah, that's
Not with the
lovely.
wind.
I think your detail's
Done it on
very good.
boots.
Do you know what? And you probably find the same. I learn every time I do something else. I'm learning again.
Yeah, of course you,
And like the pens, I love doing the pens, but
There's all these
they're so
different
tiny, they
earrings.
take me longer. Even though there's probably not as much design on them, because I'm having to be really
That's right.
careful.
Yeah.
Your detail is really
And there's the
good.
pens, just missed the pens. They are
I
lovely.
remember the first one I
Those.
did, a 3-year-old had done it. She
Wow.
brought it herself, you know, like you were a kid at school who brings the flag up.
Gorgeous.
I've just been doing that, so
Yeah, the friend of ours just had a go. He
Yeah,
said,
yeah.
"I'd like," and he was like, God, it's harder than
And
it
this
looks.
is the lady.
yeah, that's not a bad try though for the first time, is it?
I think he did really well. He just got bored, so I said, "Well, come back in a later and you can have another go."
Look at this one, guys. Wait till you see this. I'll keep the lady out because she don't want to be on. I think she's wanted. I think she's wanted on Crown Watch.
Gypsy Rosalie.
Yeah. How cool is this? They've done it all themselves. It's gorgeous.
Yes.
I was telling her I'm not into dark wood, but this with the brass goes brilliant. There's a sink look. And look at the brass handles on the cupboards. How nice is that? Look at that. Love it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's the family dog. Hope you don't mind being on YouTube. And there's the outside. It's lovely.
I'm just at a stall, and it's called Huggy Tree, and it's got literally everything. Lots of incense, lots of crystals, lots of gorgeous clothes, plenty of tie-dye and all the baggy trousers there is, and some witches up there, and witches. Ooh. All those beautiful dream catchers. Oh, I like that. I like that one. The half crescent. They've even got some fleeces now. Thinking of winter. And some beautiful bags. And there's Gavin,
this whole thing to
the amazing owner.
Haverford West Wales to Essex to Eskridge, North Yorkshire. Back down.
So that's Huggy Tree. He's always at plenty of festivals, and also to advertise the Humber Campfest coming soon, 12th, 13th and 14th of September. So that's another one to get yourselves down to, guys. Catch you later. So this is another stall. It's called Purple Mandy, Purple Haze. She does all sorts of things. She does workshops, selling oils that she's got recently from Glastonbury. She's got the incense. She's got literally all sorts of bits and pieces, blankets. She does a lot of workshops. I'll get her to come and tell you all about it in a minute. And she sells a lot of tie-dyed, all her tie-dye t-shirts, and the splatter ones are ones that she does herself. She has an array, different sizes, children's, adults, you name it. She's got it, no worries. So I'll get her to tell you all about it in a minute. What you do? So this is Mandy from Purple Mandy.
From Purple Haze Alternative Giftage.
And what do you offer? I've shown them around your tent.
Have you
and shown them all, everything that you do. Told them a little bit briefly about the workshops, but I don't know a lot about your workshops.
Okay, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Anyway, yeah, so I obviously do tie-dye. I obviously make incense because it smells amazing in here.
It does, it smells absolutely gorgeous.
And I make wax melts. I actually do Glastonbury oils, you know, I'm a little bit obsessed with Glastonbury.
We've already pointed on the Glastonbury oils because she went to Glastonbury.
I did go to Glastonbury. I was very, very lucky.
And it's cool. I went with her, but not in, you know, not in physical
video.
Body, but in video.
But yeah, I do.
Is this lady troubling you?
She's all right actually. It's paparazzi.
All right.
Just turned up like. But yeah, I make incense, so we do incense workshops.
And you do those all over, don't you?
Yes, and I also do tie-dye workshops, and I do alcohol ink workshops. That's artwork, and it's nothing to do with alcohol, all right? I also organise festivals.
Yes, we've also got a close-up of that festival. Yeah,
so this is Humber Campfest, just near the Humber Bridge, hence Humber, at Winterton Showground, and it is in 5 weeks' time, so book your tickets.
Excellent.
I am sure that you will put a link on the bottom. We can do that.
We will put a link on so you can, you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Where's the? Let me just pop that over here a minute because it's.
I'm running that with my friends Simon and Sue.
Yeah, so you can see that a little bit better. But we'll take that and then. We'll take a.
And then next year, Rekindle will be back.
Yeah, Rekindle is September.
Yes, no, June.
June, sorry.
Yeah, this one is September.
Yeah.
And then June next year there'll be the paint throw and all that business again. So yeah, and
mini,
again, I'll send you the link.
A mini
Glastonbury.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much. It's been lovely to meet you.
Can't believe we've known each other all those years.
Forever. I'll tell you what. Right. Tell us who you are.
So I'm James Riley. I have autism and ADHD, and I'm the founder, curator, director of Motorhome Happiness, the Facebook group.
Oh wow.
All right.
Well
So we are a CIC, not a profit organisation. We have directors, ambassadors and admins to help us run the group.
Yeah.
And we have meetups every year, and hopefully I've got some big news coming up about the festival here next year, hopefully.
Oh.
And we raise money to send families who are having a bad life, a bad time with like all illnesses, cancer, dementia, Alzheimer's. We send them on holidays in a motorhome, static caravan and a chalet. And Motorhome Happiness pays for the site fees and the fuels to get where they need to be. So that's what we do.
So it's cool that. Yeah. So you're always raising funds for that.
Yeah, we raise funds every year, and we've sent 2 families away already this year. We've got another 3 to go, and then next year we're hoping to do more than 10. Yeah. So we are trying. So. Yeah. And we are going back on TV again soon. I can't say who with because it's all on the ramp at the moment.
Right,
Can you say what you was on last time?
Yes, I was on the £1 Million Motorhome show on Channel 5.
Oh, we haven't watched it.
Now we'll have to
You'll find it.
Yeah, you'll find it. It's season 3, episode 3. And it's all about the meetups and what we do.
Yeah.
There's other people on there as well, but season 3, episode 3, it's about me, my mum, and the meetups of Motorhome Happiness.
Right.
Do you have a website?
Yes, we do. The website is called www.motorhomehappiness.uk.
Oh, we'll have to.
We're on there as well. We're having some prizes on there. At the minute, we've got like a raffle prize going on. We've got a membership scheme of £15 a year. No, sorry, £10 a year. And that gives you unlimited discounts to the motorhome shops and to motorhomes and accessories, etc.
Right, okay.
And we are got nominations up as well. So if you want to nominate a friend or a family to go away on holiday, it's all on the website.
So also on the website, if people wanted to make a donation, is that
yeah, you can do that as well. And but if you'd like to make a donation, please email us at motorhomehappiness@yahoo.com.
Excellent, thank you very much. Thank you for that
get to the
information.
song.
Yeah, now sing your song. No,
right,
please
okay.
you've given us that information.
Do you have to stand up and dance? Or
Oh no, can I just sit down? It's been a long weekend, you know. I've done it like past 15 times. Right, okay, hang on, I need to get into the mood, so hang on. Clip the fingers. Miss Rekindle, sexy and single, she's a twerk and she's such a flirt.
a quirk.
A quirky flirt.
Okay,
Oh, thank you very much. It was brilliant
Thank
to
you.
meet you both.